I'm going to show you guys the easiest way to make a petticoat, hoop skirt, underskirt for ball gowns. So this is used to make the ball gowns look very full and beautiful. If you'd love to watch more videos from me, make sure you subscribe for more. So to make this, you need to have a full circle skirt, half circle skirt, quarter circle skirt, or even double circle skirt. So I'm going to be using this full circle skirt I made on a hard knit. So this is a hard knit, some form of dough, and I used the full circle skirt pattern. So I'm also going to be using this bias for inserting the boning. I'm going to make use of this bias, and also I'll be making use of the boning, the bonds that I'm going to be putting in the bias. So this is a full circle skirt that I made, and I'm going to draw some lines. You can determine how many circles or hoops you want. Then if you want it to be 3, it's up to you. You can just measure and determine how many lines you want on your circle skirt. So I just want to have 3 boning channels where I'm going to be putting my boning. So I'm just going to use my chalk, my measuring tape, and determine the distance between each circle line. So I'm just going to measure. For example, if you want an interval of 5 inches apart, 2 inches apart, 10 inches apart, it all depends on your preference and how big the fabric is. So this is just for demonstration. I'm just going to be doing it 2 inches apart. So I'm going to have 3 lines, then I'm going to draw circles around, as you can see. So I'm just going to draw, and this is just for demonstration purposes. It's not an actual petticoat. So I just want to teach you guys how you can do it even on a bigger fabric. Then I'm going to draw also on the other side. Then I'm going to be putting, you can put an elastic or just a rope in the waist. I'll show you how to do that. Then the final line is going to be down here at the bottom. So I'm going to have these lines. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to stitch my bias around the circles that I made. So I'm just going to take the sewing machine, then I'm going to start stitching my bias all around. So this is what I have. I'm almost done sewing the bias around the lines that I made, as you can see. So you can use whatever bias tape you want. I just wanted to use white or cream so that it can be a bit visible on the black hard knit. If I used black, it could not have been too visible, I guess. So I decided to use white, cream white, for this tutorial. So this is what I have, and I'm going to start inserting my boning in these channels. I'm just going to insert my boning. So I have this boning with me. I'm just going to insert it, then we're going to have our hoop skirts ready. So just simply insert the boning, as you can see me do, and your hoop skirt is going to be ready. Thank you so much guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more.